Hello, and in today's video we're just going to be finishing off the actual part of the coin bag. As always, we're just going to do a quarter of the coins, and then we will see if it's actually worth getting these coin bags. But the first coin we have is a 500 bolivars from Venezuela. This one pretty much went out of circulation in the early 2000s. It's from the first bolivar, and this probably costs about, I don't know, $2 to $3 to actually get a coin I don't actually have in my collection, and that's actually going in. Okay, so the next coin we have is a Czech 5 korun, and this is actually a common coin, nickel plated steel. Then we have another token. Wow, don't collect tokens. Next coin, 1 cent 1953 from Mexico. I believe I got this in one of the other previous lots that I got, so that's for resale. A coin I don't have is a 50 rubles from Russia, 1993. Bit toned and corroded, but it's a good space filler. And it looks like it does have some weakness in the actual lettering, and that could be actually a weak stroke or a die fill. So maybe this can come off, I'm not too sure. But this stuff here is pretty much part of the coin, just the corrosion. I believe this is probably, looks like it's steel, so probably brass plated steel. And that's probably the actual steel corroding on the actual coin, because it actually goes black. So that one goes in a collection. Okay, Argentina 25 centavos, common coin with about $1. And here's another one, 96. So these come in two versions. I don't think there's another version there. And a aluminium bronze version. Then we have a common coin from Philippines, not really worth that much, even in this grade, 25 centimos. Russian 1 kopeka. I believe they still mint these, but it's not really worth much. It's worth, I think you need 50, 500, yeah, probably about 50 of them to actually equal 1 cent. So really, it's not really worth minting. Definitely costs way more to actually mint than they actually are worth. So that's, I think that's nickel plated steel. Then we have a, is that damaged? Yeah, looks like damaged. A coin from Barbados. So, current circulating coin, not really worth much. And here I have a 2 cent coin. So these circulated in Australia up until 91 when they were withdrawn. 1981. So these are actually quite common. And worth, I sell the 1 and 2 cents together for about $1.50. Okay, a nickel coin, 1 franc, 1973 from France. Common coin worth about $1 maximum. Okay, Mexico 20 centavos. So the values I actually give are maximums that I believe they are. I like the reading on this, quite nice. And it doesn't actually reflect how much you would actually sell it for. Okay, Italian 100 lira. I've sold a few of these for about $1.50. So you get weakness in the strike, which is pretty normal. And it's quite a nice big steel coin. German 1 Pfennig. So 95, 96 was the last year they actually minted these. And I just sell those as a lot. And here we have a half penny. So it is, we're taking it in, I think, 1984. No longer legal tender from the UK. This one's damaged. But there are a lot of varieties you can actually find with these coins. So, not really worth much. Here's probably the oldest coin I've got. This is an Italian, is that a 5 centimos? Yep. 1860, probably 1866. This one's Napoli Mint in. And we have the star, That's the coat of arms of Italy. That's actually quite a corroded coin and probably not worth much. Okay, Fiji, 1979, 10 cent. These are pretty low mint. All Fijian coins of the 60s and 70s are pretty low mint, even the 80s. But still, not really worth that much in collector's values. So it goes into a bulk lot. Then we have a current coin of Russia, 1 ruble. Exchange rate is about 2 cents. This one's 97, so a copper nickel coin. And it actually is just worth selling as a bulk lot. Then we have a Philippines. So this is a previous series of the 1 peso. Not really a good coin. I don't like the design. Worth about 2 cents. And just worth selling as a bulk lot. And over New Zealand, 1982, 2 cents. Has a beautiful flower on it. And that's also just worth selling as a bulk lot. Then we have another Chinese coin, 93. Previous series, you can still use these in China. Actually, this is one of my favourite coins, a 1982 drachma from Greece. There's the 2 firearms. These are actually, what do they call them again? Muskets, that's it. So you had to actually put the gunpowder in the barrel and also the bullet in the actual barrel, so you didn't have to put the cartridge in here. And it was pretty time consuming. That's what that bag is. It has the gunpowder. And you have a little stick on the bottom to shove it all down the back. That's actually quite a pretty good condition coin, but still quite a common coin. And here it has a guy from the independence movement. Okay, another common coin I've seen that come across in these bags is Venezuela 1 Bolivar, so this is 67, probably worth $1. Another Russian coin, 2011, this is a 2 rubles, and you can see the reading is a bit different. So this will be a nickel plated steel coin, worth about 4 cents, and currently circulating in Russia. Another Chinese coin, what date's this one? 92. Ooh, one that you actually don't see too often, a 1 krona from Denmark. So here's Frederick IX, Konig, King of Denmark. And it has the mint mark here, so the Copenhagen mint is the love heart. And then we have the coat of arms of Denmark on this one. So that one's actually quite nice coin to keep. Next coin, a Kazakhstan coin. Is this a 5? Yes, 5 tenge. Just remember, in 2020, they changed the coins to English, or Latin lettering. Not English, Latin lettering. So Kazakhstan and English use the Latin letters, in which previously they used the Cyrillic. So another common coin I see in these bags is these Indonesian 50 cent. And that one's a bit corroded. The other one's actually been quite a better series. So they used to be pretty expensive, but now they've actually gotten a lot cheaper. Okay, an aluminium Israeli 10 Agora. These were issued, I think, from 1975 to 80 from the first series. It has a date palm tree. Beautiful. So these are actually quite common as well. Need to look up the date as well. Okay, the coin I do have is Egyptian 5 piastre. And yep, there's the coat of arms of Egypt. And this one's dated 1967 or 1387. So it's actually quite a common coin. I'll just send that with the other Egyptian coins that I've got. Another New Zealand 2 cent. Another UK 1 pence, a half penny should I say. 71 first year. Over 1 billion made, so quite a common coin. Let's move these over. Okay, there's another one of these in here. Taiwan $1. Then we have an Indian 2 rupees. So that's the symbol for rupee in India. They adopted that in 2011. You can see there's not really any detail on the flower. That's because these are actually weakly struck, and this is actually quite uncirculated coin. Here we go. Xenon or Kitris. So Xenon from Kitris. So this is a Cypriot coin from 98. Quite a nice series. So historical figure. Most likely that's not, he didn't really look like that. And then we have a 1 rupees from the 2001. If we can, so here's the actual 2 rupees. So if you put them together, you'll see that they're actually the same size. So you can actually use the 1 rupees as a 2 rupee coin in India if you can get away with it. So that seems to be a feature. Every time they reduce the size of coins in India, they actually reduce it to the lower denomination of the previous series. That one looks like it might be actually coming apart. Another $1 from Taiwan. A Thai 5 baht. I actually quite like this coin. 5 baht. You can actually still use that in Thailand. And it's copper nickel plated copper. And a Tanzanian 5 centiti. So I did get another one in a previous bag. But this one's in better condition, so I'll probably keep that. Then we have a current 10 pence, so UK. This one's in pretty good condition. Another 1 franc from France, 1961, first year. The last coin is another 50 cent from Indonesia. Anyway, not much actually keep. The only ones I'm going to keep are these. So let's have a look. So these 4. These are the actual 4 I'm going to keep. So keep the Russian, the Venezuelan, the Tanzanian, and the Danish. And the other coins,